Here's a pair of the Soundcore Sport X20 earbuds. I'm going to show you how to pair and connect these directly to an Android phone. The Android phone I'm using is a Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. So the first thing we want to do is put these earbuds into pairing mode. So the buds are in a case. All you got to do is just open the case up and then wait a few seconds and wait to see if it starts blinking white here, okay? White, okay? So just wait a few seconds, okay? So I had a white light and then it just like turned off. The reason for me is because I'm connected to another phone of mine. So let me manually put this into pairing mode. Let me press and hold this button here for about 5 seconds or until it starts blinking white. So ready, press and hold, keep holding, just wait. Okay, now it's blinking white. Now let go. Now it's in pairing mode. Now let's shoot over to our Android phone. You want to go directly to your Bluetooth settings. So on this phone here, we're going to go to settings. And then we're going to go to connections for this phone here. And then we're going to tap on Bluetooth. Make sure Bluetooth is turned on. And that spinning thing right there, it's searching for devices that's in pairing mode near me. And it will show up down here. All right, so it's still in the pairing mode. It's blinking white there. And it did find the Sport X20 right there. Let's tap on that. With these Android phones, you should get a pairing request. There we go. Pair. And voila, we're connected, ready to go. And you can see we're connected right there. Now, if you had any kind of issue pairing or connecting these, you can always factory reset these earbuds. If you need to do that, look for that link below in the description area.